Yo! So, not even a week. A few days ago, I just came back from Wellington. Sure to check out those videos. I did a posting mistake. So, Wellington trip. Search for that. And then it's also from my channel. Beats Starfish. So, pack up is where I'm packing up. Today, I'm going to be packing up for Gold Coast. Yes! Which I'm going at 23rd. But I'll do some, updates. On the 22nd, my birthday. So, yeah, so one day after my birthday is very tight for me. Because I still got, so much activities. So, yeah. And then, so the mistake is that basically when I was posting the Wellington one, I did Wellington trip pack up and then Wellington trip episode 1. So episode 1 is actually episode 2 and episode 2 is episode 3 and so on. 5, so total 6 videos on that. Sure to check it out. The link may be in the description, or it might be just what you search, because I'm not sure. I've never done these things before. If this does not fail, I'll do it. And first, before we pack anything, check the weather. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. All I know is that didn't tell me any info. So I'll be packing all kinds of clothes in this baby. This bag, and then I'll be popping it in the suitcase. This empty suitcase that I use for Wellington too. So my toothbrush. It has everything. So it's got a lid kind of thing. You can put stuff if it's dirty, like your toothbrush, of course. Toothpaste. That was from America, by the way. That's the wrong way. Oriental. And a cup, of course. It's hollow. It's all hollow. So, yeah. So let's just put it in here straight away. flip-flop goes in. And this is what I'll be packing it in. So, as always, that is my wardrobe. Yeah. Leave a like if you think it's cool. And leave a like if you think it's bad. Okay, is that good? Hello? Okay, probably you can't see my face. Can you guys see my face? Probably not. So, what did I bring in? Yeah, the bag. Sorry. That block. Okay. That is my new clothes. Sweet. Okay. Nothing to worry. I'm going for a week. 7. 10 things. I'm dead. 10 things. This is... Yeah, right. Okay, I'll pack my undies later. First, let's pack my paints. Just in case if it is freezing. I got this because I've seen it might be rain. I'll get this. 1, 2. I'm sleeping. 3, 4. Just in case it's really hot. 5. 7, 6. It's not good for travel. 7. That's 7. I'm just gonna get 1 extra. I'm worried. Okay, I might do some changes like near that time. Off camera. And I'll be putting them in the bag off camera because it's gonna be big. Real hard. Oh, never mind. So 8. Only got 1. 1, just in case if it's cold. 2. These I don't want to bring them. These don't want to bring. 2. Whoops. Okay, damn it. 2. 3. 3. Damn it. 3, 4, 5. 5. I'll get one from here. Ow, 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 ow. Very prickly. Okay, so last time when I went to Wellington, I brought one of these. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll be bringing this. Oh yeah. I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, 5. 6. 7. And 8. 2 more. So this is 7. And guys, 8, guys, 8. Let's say it's not how we do stuff. Okay, so my sister is so annoying. I'm just gonna show her away, and I'll pause it first. Okay, guys, just got her to go. So I'm getting my undies. So okay. 1. Let me fold it. Oh, don't think I have enough. 1. 2. This is 3. 3 over here. 4. What? Oh. Pretty sure that's 4. 1, 2. Yes, 4. 4 and phew. At least 5. So 3. I'll have to do off camera. Looks like. Okay, I'm gonna do. Maybe looks like I'm doing 2 off camera. So 6. Sweet. Okay, so 6. Yeah. I'll do 2 off camera. 2 off camera. Okay, so this is 7. Looks like I'm gonna do 7 others tonight. I won't be able to wear one, which I probably do have, and I'll be wearing one too there, so I'll definitely don't need. So yeah, I'm done packing up. There's okay, never mind. So what? Floor. So I'll be bringing the jumper. I'll be wearing it. So I'll be wearing a raincoat jumper. So yeah. So yeah, I'll be wearing that. Well, picking that. I'll be putting on. Not in that. So let me just. Yeah, I'll fast forward it actually. Wait. I just took my bath. Time lapse is in the next episode. Time lapse is in the next episode. So check it out. Episode 2, okay? Bye. Be a Starfish out.